Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. So I'm going to start the series which is related to SQL and database interview question, and trust me, this is the very useful for the fresher. So I designed this all 100 question for the fresher and B.Tech student who appearing in the B.Tech. Okay, so who are in the college. So this question is very useful. So if you are in college or already pass out or already searching for the job in the data analytics, data engineering, database development or the business analyst, SQL is the major area where you will get the question. So we'll discuss top 100 and top 50 question. Definitely it 70 to 80% you will come in the interview. So without wasting time, we'll start for this part 1. So I will provide you all the question in the different part, and both the English and the Hindi language. You can find the question answer both, and you can find all the detail in the video description as well. So let's start with the first part of the question. So this is the part 1 of the question, top 100 question. So basically the let me put some zoom out. Okay, so that is the very help to read the question. Okay, so now the first question is related to what are the regular character data type is there. So what is the data type? So when you create any of the table, okay, so let's see one of the adventure work database we have. Okay, so every column what type of the data is stored, so that is the called the data type. So if you see any type of the table, we have multiple data types. So to store the character data type, we have the two type of the data type. One is the care, second one is the where care. Okay, so I will explain what is the difference between the care and what is the difference between the where care. So for this answer is care and where care. Okay, so I will explain why, in which scenario I will use the care and you will use the where care. The second question is the what are the Unicode character data types. So what is the meaning of the Unicode? So Unicode is nothing but they accept the other language. Okay, so like if you have application is running in the French, okay, or Germany, so basically where care can hold this can hold store or you can see hold only English language. Okay, English language, but this NCare and NVarchar is a two type of the Unicode language which is hold the English which is store the English language as well as all the language other than English also, like all language. Example we can see example we have the French, you can say also local language Telgue, we have the Chinese, China. So other than English, all language store the NCare. So what is the major difference between the varchar and NVarchar? Is the major difference is this will hold only store the English language, but this store the all the language other than English. And second is also if you store like for the care, I will explain one by one. Okay, so for the care and NCare, if you pass the like my name is Mukesh. Okay, and NVarchar is also, suppose we have the Mukesh. So NVarchar we have the Mukesh. Like if you store the 100 or if you pass the same thing like Mukesh, and NVarchar if you pass the again 100 and you pass the name with the Mukesh, so what will be happen? Suppose here also we have 100 here we also have the 100. So this is the basically when you create the table, we need to be pass the what byte you need to be hold. So they will occupy all the 100 byte. This will be occupied 100 byte. This is also occupied 100 byte. But this will be occupied whatever the value you pass, 2 to 4 to 6 plus 6 byte will be occupied. But this double of whatever the 6 into 12 byte will be occupied. So that is the reason we always use the varchar or NVarchar when we have the multiple language. We are not using the char or nchar. So that is the major difference, and this is already I explained in my channel. If you don't get, you can just go to the all the playlist here. So we have the playlist, and explain SQL tutorial, performance tuning, Hindi language, English language. I explain each and everything. So you need to have better understanding on this. So this is the major difference. Now coming to this the third question, what are the literal string expressed with regular character column? Okay, so basically when we have some type of the any store the value of the character data type, you will need to always pass the value in the single inverted comma. Like I pass the name, so I can pass the name like Mukesh. Okay, so always use the single inverted comma when we use the character string. If you using the data type is the date time, you can also use this single inverted comma like same. Now fourth question is how large is varchar max? How large is varchar max in the sense how much character the varchar max store? Okay, so basically to store we have the 8000 byte. Okay, so 8000 byte store the varchar max. Okay, what next question, what can you define with variable length character data type? Okay, so basically variable, what is the variable length character data type? Like if you don't know the any length, okay, like for example the address column is there. Okay, we don't know how much data type, how much length will be there. Okay, in that situation what you can do, you can put the varchar max, you can put NVarchar max, something like that. Okay, so this is the simple way we can pass the max. So variable length, they can occupy whatever the length you, whatever the value you pass. So this all the part 1 question are basic for the data type. So if you see the table, like we have the dim customer table. Okay, so if you right click the table, okay, and you can add design, you can click on the design. So basically you will get what are the data type, or you can also click on the plus symbol here. So you can get exactly what type of data type I use. We also have the very shortcut key like SP help. Okay, so SP help will also allow to show you to what are the basic data type you use in the column. So we have multiple way. Okay, in the table you have multiple way, you can see what data type we use. So because of this big table we have, so if you click on the edit, they will open each and everything here. So because this is taking time, but if you have the like I extracted for the dim customer. Okay, so just write sp underscore help and dim customer. So if you run this code, okay, you can note it down, you will get the data type, means all this table information. Customer key we have integer, first name we have NVarchar, so we NVarchar 100, so something like this is the data type will be there. Okay, so this is the part 1 of the video. I will paste all this question with answer in the video description. And if you want to join with the interview question, interview preparation, you can connect me on the number given in below. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again next one. Thank you.